Hello, today we will crochet together a cherry leaf. It is very simple to crochet it. All you need is to be attentive. We need yarn. I have a cotton yarn, yarn art jeans, and the size of my hook is 1.6. So let's begin. First of all, we make 17 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And now we make one slip stitch. Then we make one single crochet. Then one half double crochet. One double crochet and 3 triple crochets. The first, the second, and the third. Next we make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Then 1 half double crochet and 2 chains. And next we make 1 slip stitch. Then we make 2 chains, one half double crochet, two double crochets, the first and the second. Then 3 triple crochets, the first, the second, and the third. Then 1 double crochet, one half double crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch. Then we pull the thread to the back side, turn around our leaf and make a line of slip stitches. we have little stitches across the center of our leaf, and we make our slip stitch right here. And then we go on till the end of our chain. A chain and cut off the thread. That's all. Our little leaf is ready. Thank you for attention. Have a nice day.